Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate your Roblox account. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, there are two different reasons why your account might be disabled or banned, and you need to reactivate it. One is that you deleted your account or disabled it, or haven't used it in a really long time, and you need to reactivate it, and then another one that'll walk you through. Second is if your account has been banned for whatever reason, you've been reported or something, and you need to reactivate it or appeal that ban from Roblox. Now you can't do it in the app itself, but let's open up Safari or Google Chrome. And if you just haven't used your account in a while, you can go to Roblox. Customer service, just type in Google Roblox, customer service, and at the very top tap on support. Now, once you get here, you can enter in your username, your email address, the issue, the let's see on here, I'm going to say iPhone, the category you can say on here account hacked or can't log in, and then you're going to write a very detailed description saying, say, I haven't used my account in a while or I disabled my account and I really want it back. Now, this is the step and process that you take if you haven't been banned. But if you've been banned and you want to appeal that ban, you can go through a different website. You want to go back to Google and type in Roblox, appeal, ban, so Roblox appeal. And you can see this very first option is appeal your account moderation, and we will tap on that. And this will give us some options to be able to appeal any kind of ban that we've gotten on the app. So it says you can contact the team using the support form here, tap on that. And it looks very similar to the previous support form that we've done. So you can enter in your username, your email address, select what device you're using, iPhone, Android, or whatever, and then you can say on here, you can go through all these different steps. I would say account hacked or can't log in, and then you can say my account was hacked, and this is where you're going to want to describe really in detail why you want to appeal that account. Moderation or ban, and reactivate your account. So put in a bunch of detail and hear what happened. Explain yourself, explain the situation, and then hit submit here. And within a few days, Roblox customer support should come back to you. And at that point, they should help you reactivate your account and lift that ban. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.